regarding this implementation, this aadhaar card, no?
Yeah.
This is, as of now, this is not mandatory to all. Will now almost 60 to 70% already in the line. Then regarding this, how to get this ration card, some criteria is there. In rural is different, in the urban also is different.
Much has been said in the assembly. Much has been talked about the registration of the new beneficiaries in the ration card. So when can we expect that?
We expect that after this census is completed. This is based on the economic census.
Well, Ma, what about this one Russian, one nation?
That is the policy of the government of India. Suppose you stay in Delhi, the same ration card, you can collect the ration from Delhi in any fair price shop.
So
that is the policy of the government of India.
what about this implementation here in the state of Meghalaya?
Yes, even in Meghalaya also they already implemented. These people from Bihar, these people like laborer, they come to Shillong and they collect they have the, what they call that, some technical expert, I don't know what is that they call, some technical things, no? They have the technical things, then through this machine, they can identify these people. Is from Bihar or from...
What is the percentage of this implementation of this program? One nation, one ration.
As of now, I don't know how many percentage. I think it's not much in Meghalaya.
And why is it so that the concept of one nation, one ration has yet not picked up in Meghalaya?
No, in Meghalaya already started, but here in Meghalaya, labor is very less, no? Only people, they came from outside, like Bihar, Bengal. That is not much, only maybe on this urban only.
But the percentage you don't have.
I don't have that. So,
And coming back to this Aadhaar implementation, what is the percentage of Aadhaar implementation in the state?
50 to 60%. Already implemented 60 to 50%.